Alright, what is up, you guys? I'm here with the Royal Rumble 2010 DVD review. And in my opinion, I think this is the best Royal Rumble of the PG era. And, so yeah, let's get right into this here. We have your front cover. You have John Cena in a Power Ranger lineup of superstars. So just your basic cover. I really like it. And probably one of my favorite Royal Rumble logos too. Just that, you know, mid-2000s, late 2000s Rumble logo. And then you have your spine. And obviously this was leading up to WrestleMania 26. And the tagline was, "Who will be the one?" with a normal 3-hour runtime. Alright, so we had The Miz versus MVP for the US title. Michelle McCool versus Mickie James for the Women's Championship. Christian versus Ezekiel Jackson in your final ECW Championship pay-per-view match. Sheamus versus Randy Orton for the WWE title. And then The Undertaker versus Rey Mysterio for the World Heavyweight Championship. And that was actually a little fun fact for you. That was actually the final time The Undertaker successfully retained a world title on pay-per-view. So, alright, so let's get right in here for the disc artwork. You just have Royal Rumble, I Am the One. And your special feature, you do get Bret Hart confronting Vince McMahon, February 1st of 2010. So just a little segment from that. So, very nice. I like the disc artwork on that one. But yeah, like I said, this is definitely my favorite one of the PG era for sure. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this Rumble. This has been the DVD Freak. Peace out.